2026 Denago MX. This is a 110 fully automatic with electric start. Has 10-inch wheels, disc brakes, gold chain, color matching, chain adjusters, stator caps, color matching grips, dual disc brakes with foldable levers, got the color matching brake covers, throttle governor. This is the red edition of the MX. Great kids beginner bike here. Start stop switch there. No shifting at all, just gas and go. You can find this bike. We also have other colors available. This is the red edition 2026 model of the Denago MX 110. You can find it here at East Central Sports in Rush City, Minnesota.